Hey, sushi lovers! Ready to roll your own fresh and tasty sushi at home? Today, we're making quick sushi rolls that are perfect for a fun night in or impressing your friends with your culinary skills. Don't worry if you're new to this. Sushi making is easier than you think, and I'm here to guide you through every step. So grab your chopsticks and let's roll some sushi in minutes. Before we dive in, let's take a quick look at where sushi all started. Sushi has its roots in Japan, dating back to the 8th century, when it was originally a way to preserve fish in fermented rice. Over time, it evolved into the sushi we know and love today, where fresh fish is paired with vinegared rice and rolled up with various fillings. Sushi has become a global favorite, loved for its freshness, simplicity, and endless variety. Now, let's talk ingredients. To make sushi at home, you'll need sushi rice, nori, which is the seaweed sheets, and your choice of fillings. For a classic roll, you might go with fresh fish like salmon or tuna, but you can also use cooked shrimp, crab sticks, or even veggies like cucumber, avocado, and carrots. Don't forget a little soy sauce, wasabi, and pickled ginger for that authentic sushi experience. One of the best things about making sushi at home is that you can get creative with your rolls. Try a California roll with crab sticks, avocado, and cucumber, or a spicy tuna roll with a touch of sriracha. If you're vegetarian, a veggie roll with avocado, cucumber, and carrot is a delicious option. The possibilities are endless. If you're looking for inspiration, some of the world's best sushi can be found in Japan at places like Sukiyabashi Jiro in Tokyo, made famous by the documentary Jiro Dreams of Sushi. In the US, Sushi Nakazawa in New York City offers an unforgettable sushi experience. And that's how you can roll your own sushi at home in just a few minutes. It's fresh, it's fun, and it's a great way to bring a taste of Japan to your kitchen. Whether you're sticking to the classics or experimenting with new flavors, homemade sushi is a delicious way to enjoy one of the world's most beloved dishes. So, get rolling and enjoy your sushi night. And do not forget to hit the subscribe button